Are you sure about that? Do you want Sassy to lose again?
This time I guarantee you that Sassy will win.
So what race do you have in mind?
I want a race. And what is a race? The first bird who can drop 3 rings into the bowl the fastest is the winner. And that is the race.
So our race it shall be. Remember guys that boys already have 1 point. So girls, let's cheer louder for Sassy to this time. And this time, our race. Right, set, go! Here's our first race.
Hey, you guys cheated!
Oh, you cheated?
No, we didn't cheat. Sassy used her brain.
Oh!
So it's true that girls are more intelligent than boys? That's why we have to be productive work. So we can ask once again, and she will show us how intelligent she is by doing that so it's correct. Just like that, about the from South America, they are known to be the gentle giants of the forest. It is because they are the second largest, next to the highest mountain. They can go up to
'Cause
Okay, so clear mark. Rock ready. Oh, Rocky solved the equation for us. Once again, the equation is next time. Let's practice. Let's go, Rocky, to the man.
With the rest of my God,
And Rocky gets the...
try as you may, you just can't get away from my body.
What Rocky needs to do it. And Rocky gets the first number. How about the second number? Okay, second number, Rocky. Well, Rocky loves numbers. Okay, and it's counting. Then, last number. Rocky.
Bounces all
And Rocky gets the volunteer with 500 pesos. Once again, I need an adult volunteer with 500 pesos. Just raise your hand up, and I will bring you the result. Remember, these are the smallest pieces. Before we start here on stage, good afternoon, sir. Welcome to also represent your reserves. Well, your money goes a long way. We are very grateful. Thank you so much. You will not take a seat.
Budol.
Look at the camera and over the cheek and then smile. Nice. Ladies and gentlemen, now that we have seen our colorful and intelligent parrots, we would like to show you another species of Manila park. Birds of prey, also known as raptors, hunt and feed by other animals. Our Philippine eagle owl, here comes Hope. Second nickname is Bobopensis. These birds are found in Bohol, Samar, Leyte, Catanduanes, and possibly in Sydney. And as you can see, we have our ramen time. Here comes Shadow. They are also known as Lawi or the Philippine Science region. These birds are found in India, Indonesia, Bangladesh, Pakistan, along China, including everyone. Here comes our chicken. Wow, look at that. And as you can see, we have our homing pigeons. Homing pigeons has an innate homing ability. Raptors, our chickens, and our homing pigeons. Here's the closest part we need their smoke. We will not try to take your preference to the sea. Super classic as well. Now guys, who knows the 3 R's? It's Reduce, Reduce, and Recycle. So once again, here's Bobby to show us the proper way to dispose of. See? If our lovers can do it, so can we. Ladies and gentlemen, trainer Sean with Rocky. And again, I'm trainer April. Thank you and goodbye. Alright guys, please remain at your seat because we still have a key line show and please do not cross the yellow line. Join us welcoming the Manila South American Sea Lions.
All right, let's give it up for our Sea Lions friends. Here we I'd like you to meet my friends together with their trainers one at a time. On your left side is one of the eldest tour trainer. She is her name is Icy. Together with trainer David, say hi. And on the other side is one of the youngest female South American sea lions that we have here.
Even though.
Thank you. So guys, do you have any idea why they are called fin or feather-footed marine mammals? Any idea? Do they have feathers? Well, let's ask them. Hey ladies, do you have feathers? The answer is no. It's actually because of their front flippers, which are shaped like a bird's wings. See those? The term flippers may also be translated as wing-footed, since their flippers do look somewhat like wings. In fact, they appear to be flying underwater as they swim from place to place. Right, ladies? And did you know they are often mistaken as snails because they look very much alike? But some differences between a seal and a sea lion is the fact that they have bigger front flippers. And they can also turn their back flippers, something seals cannot do. As a result, they can walk upright while on land. And that's a fine demonstration. I will throw a round of applause for a And guys, you know what's wrong? Well, check these out. Something nice here, right? A round of applause for our Sea Lion friends. As you can see, their bodies covered with thick brown short coarse hair, and their whiskers help the sea lions sense of touch. They contain nerve fibers, which make them sensitive. Wow, nice smile. Hey! They can also use their whiskers to aid in navigation or to detect vibrations from breakage of water. And their small external ears give them a looseness of hearing on the bottom and below the water surface. Sea lions, like any marine mammals, can see well both above and underwater. They have a keen eyesight but no color vision. In the wild, they inhabit waters close to shores, not rocky cliffs beside pools, and have a preference for rocky beaches. They have excellent landing ability, which can easily scale rocky cliffs. Truly strong front flippers. Now let's talk about their swimming abilities, and let's start with Ira. That goes around 11 miles per hour, using the rolling movements of their front flippers, while their back flippers are stretched out behind their bodies, functioning as rudders for steering. And that is their normal swim. Nice and easy. Thank you so much, Anwar and Trainer Jerry. But when chasing their prey or escaping from pregnancies, 25 miles. Wow, that's so fast! How about a round of applause for Icy? Not pretty yet. Good job, girl. Wow, nice. Now we've come to the part of the show where we are going to invite one lucky audience here on stage and meet IDs up close. So if you are willing to volunteer, all you have to do is raise your hands up and I will choose one. From Chile, South America. And now right here, that's July 4, 2009. I'm very good. Welcome to Manila Ocean Park. First off, what is your name? Amy. Our round of applause for our volunteer, Miss Irene. Now then, make your way to Isis and Trainer David.
Pag ba yung babae? Lalaki siya. Ha?
Mama Lee, may I ask, is this your first time meeting a sea lion up close? First time? Well, in meeting IDs for the very first time, a paper shape is always appropriate. All IDs paper, look at that camera and smile. I said smile. There. Smile. Thank you so much, ma'am. Step aside, please. And here's a video for you about our sea lions. Did you know that they have very teeth, which are special pieces of hard plastic in their foot? However, they don't chew it. They swallow it whole just like that. And voila, it's gone. How about more burgers with ices? All ices sugar, sugar. Look at that camera and give us your best smile. Wow, it's incredible. Say hi. No? Why girl? Is there something else? Peter David. Ooh, I think I know that smile. You know, ma'am, before you leave, Isis would love to give you a goodbye.
Yes!
Is it a kiss, girl? And that kiss should be on the
Lips!
nice side here. That kiss should be on the Don't worry, ma'am. It's very easy. All you have to do is put your hands at the back, lean down forward, and over your hips for 3 seconds. And how about cheeks this time? Over your cheeks. Look at that. So sweet. Oh, nice picture. And Thank you so much, Isis and Kira, and trainers as well. We hope you all enjoyed spending your afternoon here at Aquatica with your new love friends, Isis and Myra. And we also hope that even after you leave, you will take this experience with you wherever you go. And remember that what we do here on land greatly affects our friends in the sea. Sea lions are tiny animals that survive in the trash-filled environment. So let's keep our surroundings clean. Aside from pollution, there are many other threats to their survival all over the world, such as climate change and illegal hunting. You can learn more about this inside our ocean aquarium. Always keep in mind that we are the stewards of our planet and thus each one of us must do what we can to protect and conserve all the inhabitants of our mother Earth, including ourselves. So on behalf of Isis and Trainer, I want to and all of us here at Aquatica and in Ocean Park, we would like to thank everyone for visiting us here today. We hope you all enjoy and visit us again soon. So take care and have a nice day. Say goodbye now to our subscribers. Bye! If you love to have some photos from our slides and friends, please approach our friendly photographer at the exit area. Once again, thank you for watching!
Exit po natin, left and right po. Yung mga pauwi na po, exit po natin left